In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to change your title in Untitled boxing game. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly unlock new titles and how to change between all of the titles that you own in Untitled boxing game. So to see all of your titles and change between them, all that you have to do is go over to your inventory. So if you access shop/owned, you will be able to switch from shop, which is the default tab, to inventory. And if you scroll down, you can find titles at the bottom. So you will see all of the titles that you have and the one that you currently have equipped alongside seeing it on top of your nickname here. So to get new titles, the main way is going to be through quests. So if you go over to quests and you switch to titles, you will be able to browse through all of the titles that you have unlocked. You can see your progress here for a lot of titles, and once you get a new one, you just have to click claim. Once you claim a title, you can go back into your inventory, and now it is going to be available here. And all that you have to do is click on it and select equip, and this is how you can change your title in Untitled boxing game. So you will now see the new title displayed above your head. And you can change this at any time. So if I go back to Boxer, it is going to be instantly updated. And of course, everyone on the server is going to be able to see the title that you have equipped. There are plenty of titles to acquire, and you can always browse through the quests here when you switch over to the titles tab. So always check the quests tab and see what you can get from here. And as long as you claim the titles here, you go into the shop/own tab, and under the inventory category, you scroll down until you find your titles. You will be able to change them at will, and all of the titles will be displayed here on your account. So I hope I was able to help you on how to change your title in Untitled boxing game. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.